everybody. Jim King Piers, out here with our King Piers team. I started calling us the King Piers Cartel. We go from job to job, saving foundations every day. This job here is in Lee Summit. This is a 4-step King Piers wall straightening project. We're going to straighten the wall back to perfectly vertical. Then we're going to come in with our King Pier 2s underneath the footing. That'll lock that footing in there and keep it there forever. And after that, we'll do the epoxy injection on the interior, and then on the outside, when we're done, this wall will all be waterproofed. Bid doesn't include waterproofing, but only a fool would expose a wall and not take care of all the cracking, clean it, and repair all the cracks. That way the injection on the inside works and it doesn't just shoot through the crack down the wall into the soil. So we do everything right, everything engineering 101. If you want your basement safe, call me. I think we're the best in the business, and thousands and thousands of people will agree with me. 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.